Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact identifiers the system expects: national ID or student registration number, because partial entries often fail. Once done, open the official portal on an updated browser and avoid mobile data interruptions. Make sure you have access to the email or phone listed with your account for verification codes. This eliminates delays and prevents account lockouts. Now, navigate to the portal's login or lookup page and keep your ID on screen. You'll need to paste it accurately. You now interact with the lookup tool. Choose your institution from any drop-down because selection filters results and avoids cross-institution mismatches. Enter your ID character for character. Leading zeros or hyphens matter, so don't guess. Once entered, solve the CAPTCHA to prove you are human, then request the one-time password if prompted. Wait for the SMS or email, enter the code promptly, and submit. This sequence confirms your identity and returns the index number or a downloadable record. You finish by verifying the displayed index number against any prior documents to ensure it's the correct record. Discrepancies happen. Once confirmed, download the certificate or take a clear screenshot and save a PDF copy in a secure folder. Make sure to note the retrieval date and the portal name for future reference. If the system returns no results, retry using alternate ID formats, clear your cache, and then contact the help desk with screenshots. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.